Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First you just need to go to settings, then simply go to the advanced feature. From here you will find one-handed mode. You just need to turn it on. If you turn off this one-handed mode on your device, then you just need to turn it off. Now you can just simply double tap on your home button frequently, just like this, and it will allow you to use your screen one-handed mode on-handed mode. Now you can place your one-handed mode screen at the right edge of your device and or the left edge of your device. You can simply tap on this arrow button and it will just slide your window, the screen, at the left side of your device edge. Or if you want to use it right-handed, then you can simply tap on this arrow and it will simply swipe it to the right edge. Now you can actually increase the size of your one-handed mode, and you can also transfer it of your upper edge on your device. That's how you can simply use the one-handed mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.